everyone. We're doing bird dog today on an unstable surface, so here's what you're going to need. I have a long step bench right on top of my mat. I have the Bosu Ball just behind my mat. We're going to be using our left hand and our right leg to do the bird dog. So our left knee is in the center of the button, in the center of the circle. Our right hand goes on the step bench. Alignment, wrist under shoulder. My left hand right on the mat. Get my back nice and flat. Toes on the ground. First part of the movement, extend that leg back. If you can, lift it. Bring the knee back down. Now watch what happens. My hips are uneven. Pull your hips straight. Bring back the knee. That may be enough for you. You can also just slide your toe along the floor, drag it back in, pulling in that belly. The second step is you can lift the leg. Now, if you're like, oh, that's just easy, let's add the arm. Bring the right leg back, stabilize yourself, bring the left hand forward, left hand down, right leg on the ball. If you want it more, try that one again. Right leg back, left arm forward, suck in the gut, left hand down, right leg back. The bird dog on the Bosu Ball. Find which progression is going to work best for you, whether it just be following the leg, whether you lift it, and then the third way to progress it is adding the arm. Until next time, have a good day. Bye.